How does drain cleaning work? Guys, that's pretty easy. When you've got a stoppage in there, you either run a cable through it or you run a hydrojet through it. A hydrojet is a very powerful force of water that pushes forward and pushes backward and helps clean out that line. Normally, a good sewer machine works better. It's more powerful. It really breaks up whatever's in there. But remember, a lot of times you may be looking at roots, you may be looking at a break, you may be looking at other issues that are causing that. When we do a sewer cleaning, we also run a camera through wherever the breakage was or wherever the stoppage was. That way we know what caused that problem. Getting your sewer cleaned is one thing. Finding out what caused it and taking care of that issue, that's the most important part.